Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online reputation with Reputation Defender, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Reputation Defender website. Sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Begin by entering your name into the search bar. Click on the search button to see existing online mentions of your name. Review the search results carefully for any negative content. Take note of the URLs and the type of content that appears. Next, explore the available services Reputation Defender offers. Consider options for removing or suppressing negative content. Select the services that best match your needs. Follow the prompts to add any specific URLs or information that you want addressed. Provide necessary details, such as your contact information and payment method. Once you've selected your services, submit your request. Reputation Defender will begin monitoring your online presence regularly. You'll receive updates on any changes or improvements made. Make sure to regularly check your dashboard for new alerts. Consider setting up automated alerts for ongoing monitoring. Engage with the support team for any inquiries or clarifications. It's important to stay proactive about your online reputation. Continue to review your online presence periodically. Remember, maintaining a positive online reputation is an ongoing process. Utilize the tools and resources provided by Reputation Defender effectively. By following these steps, you can take charge of your online reputation today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.